Today, I'll show you how to delete cookies in Google Chrome. If a website is not loading properly, keeps signing you out, or is showing old data, deleting cookies can often help fix the problem. Google says Chrome lets you remove cookies in a few different ways. You can delete all cookies for a time range, remove cookies from one specific site, or manage third-party cookie settings separately. Google also notes that if you delete cookies while signed into Chrome, Chrome may refresh the Google cookies that keep you signed in, so if you want those gone too, you need to sign out of Chrome first. Let's start with the easiest method on a computer. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, then choose Delete Browsing Data. Pick a time range like last hour or all time, then make sure cookies and other site data is selected. If you only want to remove cookies, uncheck the other items such as browsing history or cached files. After that, click Delete Data. Google lists this as the standard desktop method for clearing cookies in Chrome. If you only want to delete cookies from one website instead of clearing everything, Chrome gives you a more targeted option. Google says on a computer you can open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then third-party cookies, and choose See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for the website name, then click Delete next to that site. This is useful if one website is acting up, but you don't want to sign out everywhere else. Now let's look at phones. On Android, Google says you can open Chrome, tap the three dots, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data. Choose your time range and delete the data you want. Google also says you can remove cookies from a single site by opening that site, tapping the page info icon, then cookies and site data, and deleting the stored data there. On iPhone or iPad, the steps are similar. Google says to open Chrome, tap More, then Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data. Check cookies, site data, uncheck anything else you don't want to remove, then confirm the deletion. One more thing to remember is that deleting cookies can sign you out of websites and remove saved site preferences. So it's helpful for fixing problems, but you may need to sign back in afterward. That's normal behavior when cookies are cleared, and that's how to delete cookies in Google Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.